So welcome back to Kevin's European Garage, and today I'll be changing out the engine air filter on my 2021 Audi Q7. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to pop the hood on this. So you come up to the front of the car, put your hand inside, push this to the left, and then lift. So before I start this, and before I kind of do anything in the engine bay, the engine cover is always so dirty. So I give it a good wipe down, and about 2 weeks it's going to be crappy anyways, but I give it a good wipe down while I'm doing this, so I'll have less chance to get crap inside there when I'm doing anything. All right, so the next step is to remove this cover. We got two clips. First one is here. Kind of reach up with your finger, pull it down. Second clip is on this side. Do the same thing, pull it down. All right, now we can lift up the cover. Lift that up. Slip straight back like this. And pull forward. As you can see in the back, when you put it back in, there's some tabs. These have to line up first before you can push it back down. Okay, and now for the air filter removal. You got these two clips. All right. And then in here we have a Torx, which is a T25. Careful of these, you don't want to lose them. Okay, now the next step is you're going to lift up from the back and just pull towards the rear of the car. And that's it. That's the whole air filter. It's out. Again, with the theme of keeping things clean, I'm just going to use a quick vacuum. The stuff is like caked in there. It doesn't really want to come off. You want to be careful. You don't want to disturb it too much, because you don't want it to get sucked in or fall into the intake while you're doing this. So I'm just doing a little bit, nothing too crazy. If I wanted to clean this any further, I would remove this from the car. All right, so I have to install the new filter. So you take this down, slide it in, make sure you get the gaskets in there. That's all you need to do. Two T25s. All right, that's tightened down. You don't want to tighten it down too tight. It's only going into plastic. So when you put these on, this can be kind of a pain in the butt. Those are those two clips that are on either side. You got to go slide it inside this thing over here, inside over here. You can see this one from all the oil changes, kind of got a little chip down there, but it's got to slide into here, into this groove. Get the one over here, and then you got the other one on this side. And like I was saying, you have that receiving groove in the back over here. You have all these, and those go into that slot in the back. So you gotta tilt this in like this. Make sure it's locked in. You see it right there. Slide it down. Before we do any of that, put the retaining clips back on. All right, that's your cover. You just have to push down, don't have to push down too hard. You can feel the little plastic tabs going into the rubber receivers. And now next is these two clips on the side. So here they are. So remember I said those got those receivers, you gotta kind of push it in there, kind of line them up. So these sit up there and just sit in its place like that. This one always never feels like it goes in there, see? Kind of pops out. And I think it's just this particular side, because the other side is really good about staying up and in there. Yeah, we'll see how this one kind of clicked. That's it. That's how to change the air filter. So thanks for watching Kevin's European Garage, and that's how to change the engine air filter on a 2021 Q7. Should also work for the same engine that comes in the Q8. Any engine that similarly looks like that should be about the same. So it's not just specific to the 2021 model. It also will work for anything that's got this engine in the Q7. So again, thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. I have more videos coming out. You hopefully you'll also click the notification so that you'll be notified when there's more videos. And hopefully those will be coming out soon. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you all again very soon.